welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we've got this lovely BMW M4 in. The customer's been preparing for some track days and fast road use. So we're going to be installing an upgrade that we haven't actually installed for a while down here because the product actually hasn't been available, and it is upgrading the factory differential, which is a hybrid like plate and electrically actuated differential, to a Wavetrac limited slip differential. You might be wondering, why would you want to upgrade from the factory M differential? And the reason being is it has all the same problems that all the cars that come with the plate differential from the factory have, and that is that the plate differential is only really designed on these cars obviously for road use, and then it is designed for a very broad demographic of customers that are going to be driving this car, and not many of these cars are obviously actually used on the track a lot of the time. So for customers that want to make the car more track focused and more fast road focused, just like you want to upgrade the suspension, the brakes, the differential is something that's really important to do, especially as the differential wears quite a lot as well. So these cars have got a lot of miles on them now. Some of them are around sort of like 10 years old, so they definitely could benefit from a upgraded or refreshed differential, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. So going to walk you through the whole process. Let's get the car in the workshop and walk you through it. So we've got the e-lsd just here in front of us. We've separated the ring gear from the differential, machining operation, drilled and tapped it, so it's ready to fit onto the Wavetrac. So if you're on M2, M3, M4, this is an operation that's going to be essential because we need to reuse this ring gear, which is usually friction welded. So if you've ever wondered how this particular differential works, it is a plate style differential. So you've got plates in here as well as the spider gears, but in operation, how it functions is that it has a motor externally on the housing of the axle, which then goes inside the differential, and then the locking percentage is varied by the amount this gear moves. So you can go all the way from 0% all the way to 100%, depending on a lot of different inputs. So it's got 3 different inputs that manage the locking force on this. You've got obviously all the different sensors on the car, but then the things that it's dependent on as well is things like the axle oil temperature, the servo motor, as well as the controller that's in the boot as well. So common issue that you have on these, when the rear axle is too hot, any one of those 3 things, it'll just go completely open. And then also where you've got putting things like upgraded suspension, stickier tires, different brakes on the car, you go outside of the parameters of what this particular differential was designed for, especially when you've increased the amount of power on the car as well. And you can feel that there's very snappy behavior from the rear end of the car. Doesn't give you a lot of confidence. You can feel that it definitely needs to have a differential upgrade. Other thing as well is that these plates over time they'll wear, and then as these plates wear, there's a lot more distance between the plates, and they either need to be renewed, which is obviously quite a costly activity, and then they're going to degrade again, the space is going to open up and it's going to perform like an open differential. So it's good to get this upgraded. So we've got the Wavetrac differential here. So this will replace the OE e-lsd that we've got. Completely fit for get, so there's no service items in there as well, and it's nice and smooth in operation. So a lot of the customers we fit the Wavetrac onto, it feels as though the car is a lot more progressive. It completely eliminates the snappy behavior on stroll from the rear end of these cars. So time to get it into the axle, all built up and into the car. Wavetrac differential has been fitted to the M4. Obviously you can't see it because it's buried deep underneath the floor plan, but obviously you watched it in the video. So what the customer is going to feel is there's a lot more traction under throttle coming out of and through corners. There's a lot more traction from the rear end of the car as well, and it's also much more predictable to drive. So it's going to really have a lot of fun driving this new M4 with a Wavetrac differential. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.